Morning and Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. So we are welcome back to our online classes. Okay, before starting our class, let's discuss something. Like tell me what are you doing at your homes nowadays? As you know that weather is very cool, so how you are enjoying your weather? Are you drinking coffee or soup? Okay, let me know after our lesson. Okay, let's start. So, Vidya, what is date today? Today is Tuesday, 15th December 2020. Okay, and this is your English literature period. Your textbook is read now. And your topic is the table and chair. It is on page number 129. And we will solve exercise number 1, words meaning. So, before starting our exercise, let's revise what we have studied yesterday. Okay? Of table and chair, where table and chair are talking to each other that you can see my feet are sore and I have chilblain on my feet. So what do you think, we should go outside? Will air accept us? They want to go outside for strolling. Okay. Chair is an saying to the table, you forgot we can't walk in the alley like this. Okay, we have four legs and we are furniture, how we can walk? The chair said, why not? We can use our two legs and we can go outside. Four legs we have, we can use our two legs. Now you can see they are going outside for a walk. They are walking with their two legs. Now they are enjoying. People are amazed by seeing chair and table on the roads. They are excited and amused as well. Look at these chair and table. They are walking outside. Isn't it amazing? Okay, now they forgot the way and don't know how to go back to the house. And now they are worried. Look at them, they are worried. What we will do? Now they find out three friends, a mouse, a beetle, and a duck. They told us, we know where is your house. Let's go, but before that, we should go and eat some dinner. Now they are at Quacky Duck's home and they are here to enjoy their meal. So, what they are going to eat? And they are very much amazed by the word outside. Now, look at this. The mouse is bringing food for them. Now they are enjoying the food. Beetle and mouse and duck, they are all quacking and dancing. And when they were tired, they go back to their bed. So now you remember what we have studied yesterday. So now we will continue our today's topic, how you will maintain your page. First of all, you will write the date, and after that topic, which is the table and the chair. Exercise number 1, write down the meanings. Let's start. Okay, number 1 word we have aware. I have already explained during reading what is the meaning of aware. Aware, having knowledge. What is the meaning of aware? Having knowledge. When you know something, it means that you are aware of that thing. If I ask, do you know English? Yes, I am aware of English. Okay, or having knowledge. Able. What is the meaning of able? Having power. What is the meaning of able? Having power. Sigh. What is the meaning of sigh? To take deep breath. To take deep breath, just like it is called sigh. Toddled. What is the meaning of toddled? Toddled. Crawled. What is the meaning of toddled? Crawled. Castle. What is the meaning of castle? Castle means palace. What is the meaning of castle? Palace. And number 6 word, and the last word is whispered. So what is the meaning of whispered? Speak in low voice. Speak in low voice is called whispered. So this was our lecture for today, and you have to solve or write sentences of these words as well. This is your homework. So how you will prepare your page for your homework? So with how you are going to prepare your page, first of all, you're going to write the topic, which is the table and the chair. After that, you will write exercise, write down the meanings. Next one is serial number. It is already present in your notebooks, and you will make 2 columns, one for words and second for sentence. and you will make it like this. Your page, you will prepare your page like this. Okay, you will make sentences of these words. Kindly make sentences by yourself. Don't take help from the Google Classroom. So this is the end of our lecture. Hopefully it will be easy for you to, and you can solve it by yourself. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.